Today's video shows you how to completely tear down the Skullcandy Sesh earbuds. Let's get started. Two charging connects each side. Tear down the earbuds charging box. A small circuit board is fixed on the back with a screw and a magnet of assisting in fixing the charging of the earphone. The charging connects of the earphone to thimble on each side. On the back of the motherboard of the earbuds charging case, there was a double side adhesive to fix the battery on the back of the motherboard. On the motherboard, wires are used to connect to the motherboard to battery. 4 LED indicators shaded with silicon case. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Tear off label paper of the battery. The protection circuit board on the battery and NTC overcurrent protection. The physical button on the top of the earphone. It is for power on, off, pairing, etc. Take a knife. Remove the front cap of earbuds. There are some shock absorbing material around the driver. This is the magnet. And this is the small battery. Remove the back cover. Slightly push the other side of the motherboard. Do the same process of the other earbud. The earphones on the both sides are similar in terms of materials, but the layout is slightly different. Bluetooth antenna thimble. This is the main IC. This is the microphone. This is the LED lights. On the other side of the motherboard, there are multiple chips. Please like and subscribe to my channel Ambiror and press the bell icon to get new video updates.